Foodmate Corporation Limited was established in 2012 with its factory located in scenic city of Zhejiang, Jiangxi Province, and its marketing and research and development center located in the Shanghai, the economic center of China. Foodmate is a provider of gelatin, collagen peptides, plant hydrocolloids, functional animal proteins, zero-calorie sugars, and application solutions for various industries, including nutrition and health, meat processing, baking, and beverages. We aim to be a part of our partners' success in making their dream foods healthy and nutritious. Foodmate's R&D center is located in Zhangjiang High-Tech Park in Shanghai, with over 20 professional technical engineers committed to providing industry-leading new materials, new technologies, and new solutions to customers. So far, we have provided products and technical services to more than 200 companies worldwide. In 2022, Foodmate's Phase 2 factory was completed and put into production with an annual output of 18,000 tons. As of now, we have served customers from across the world and have become a globally renowned certified supplier to leading international food and beverage enterprises. Our technology-driven innovation supports us in winning market shares around the globe.